super excited to get this first upgrade to the truck, man. On my way to go get the upgrade, the first upgrade of the truck. Yes, we're gonna go get the first upgrade. Well, if you're counting the window tint, that will be the first. Maybe not really good, it's a window tint, but the first actual upgrade to the truck. I'm on my way to go get it done right now. Let's go, bro. Alright, hitting the highway, and we're off to the races. Yes. It blows my mind how I'm going 5 miles over the speed limit, and there's still trucks over here going faster than me, and even have a trailer, bro. They have a trailer, and they're going faster. I'm going 5 miles over the speed limit. Like, what is wrong with people, bro? They're meant to be going 10 more, maybe. And it almost caused a wreck right there. It's just crazy, blows my mind. Well, we're on our way to get the upgrade. Let's go. Made it over here to the place where I'm getting the side steps on. Yes, on the truck. We're gonna get them done today. And yes, right here. Super excited to get it done, man. Can't wait till we finish it right now. And it's gonna be an hour, so I'll probably take some video. See what's up. So I'm here, getting it done in the waiting room. Super excited to get this first upgrade to the truck, man. Yeah, I'm gonna be looking out for it right now here in a second to see how it comes. I'm gonna show you a video how it looked before, show the car, and then hopefully, like I said, it comes out pretty good. And then I'm gonna show you how it looks here in a minute, man. Super excited. I got 1 hour, so I got quite a bit of time to waste here. So yes, I'm super excited. Can't wait to get the truck upgrade. Let's go, bro. I got an hour here. What am I gonna do? I'm so glad I got the Ray-Bans, because right now I forgot my headphones, and when you wear your Ray-Bans, you always have headphones. You can listen to what you're watching on your cell phone. So that's what's good about the Ray-Bans, because now I could not only listen to whatever I'm watching, I could always record, listen to music also, and talk on the phone. It's just so much convenience, just in case you forget your headphones like I did today. And I'm waiting here for an hour for the first upgrade on the truck, so glad I have these Ray-Bans, dude. Hell yeah. Damn. Hell yeah, man. Appreciate it. Hell yeah.
Give me a call if you ever need anything else.
Alright, man, I'll let you know.
Alright, man.
Alright, thanks, man. So got the things on here at the place, and damn, they look so much better. He was saying too that they are so much more higher. It's so much better. Like, look at it, man. Wow, check it out, dude. Oh man, look at that. First upgrade. First upgrade. Hell yeah. Man, it looks good, dude. I'm really happy with my upgrade. First upgrade to the truck after the tent. I got the rails. It was, you know, a real high truck, so I needed them. And this is where I got it at, man. come check it out. They have a lot of best price here in town. They're the best price in town and knocked it out in a day. Everybody else wanted next week, all this time. Best deal, and knocked it out the next day after they arrived, man. Perfect, friendly service here, man. Definitely recommend. It's so nice. All right, see how it looks one more time. Take it around. Look at that. Woo. One more. Oh yeah, got it. Man, that's good. Oh yeah. All right, I do want to see if this comes off. The sticker. I do want to take the sticker off. So before I go up there, I'm gonna take the sticker off. Even over here, take the sticker off. Now I'm filming with my Ray-Bans. I'm gonna take the sticker. Rhino. Look at that. Woo! Damn, that's good. Another shot with the Ray-Bans. That's where I got it. Look at that. Looks armor better. I took that piece off. It looks so much better. All right, first time getting in there. I don't know what that is. It's first time getting in there. Let's go ahead and check it out. Oh yeah. Oh, so much more better, dude. I didn't want them too far out because I didn't want it to stick out so far, but hell yeah, so much easier to get it on. All right, got the tent, now the rails. Let's go, bro. All right, there we go. First upgrade on the truck. Let's go, bro. More coming. Let's go.